Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today I'll be reviewing the full body slim fit ultra light TPU bumper case for the TicWatchPro 2020. So let's get started. If you're someone new to our channel, please consider subscribing to our channel as we do regular videos for various smartwatches like this one, smartphone reviews, tech tutorials and much more. We have an entire playlist full of Wear OS smartwatch videos, so be sure to check it out. In today's video, I'll review this full body slim fit TPU case for the TicWatchPro 2020. I have reviewed such cases for a lot of smartwatches on this channel. Few of them have been linked up in the card section and at the end of this video in case if you are interested in those. So I'll review all the aspects starting from price, unboxing, build quality, show you the process of putting it on and off with all the pros and cons as well as my final say about it. So I got it from Amazon for only $9 Canadian, and since I'm an Amazon Prime member, it was delivered in just 2 days. In case if you haven't tried Prime, you're missing out a lot. Make sure to check out the link to try out Prime for absolutely no charge for 30 days, which includes free shipping, Prime videos, Prime music and much more for no charge. You'll also find the link to get this case in the description of this video, so be sure to check it out. So now that you know where to get this case and for what price, let's see how it is. Nothing fancy with unboxing, it just came in a small plastic Ziploc bag with a soft foam to fill up the case to protect it during shipping. Now there are 4 color options. I got the silver, but as you can see there is a black, rose gold and clear transparent options. So you can customize the styling as per your watch band and needs. I personally like the silver. Now in case if you want to see how it will look if you got a case other than silver, this image will give you a ballpark idea of what to expect. I personally would never go with a black as my watch is black already unless you have a liquid silver metal watch. Here is another image of how the case will look from the front view. I got these images from the seller's Amazon page for you to have a better idea of what to expect as I don't have other cases except silver. FYI, this is not a sponsored video, so the cases weren't sent to me to review by the seller. Alright, now let's talk about the case. So this is a bumper case, it's not a full body screen protective case as I have for my Fossil Gen 5 which has a built-in screen protector. I have done a video for this case linked up here in case if you guys want to check it out once you're done watching this one. I think you don't even need a screen protective case for the TicWatchPro 2020 for the fact that this smartwatch has a tougher Gorilla Glass 3 with a military 810G rating, and as you can see the display is sunken in the body unlike the Fossil Gen 5 where the screen is directly exposed. So having this case will add an extra lip on top of the metal rim, so it's rare to get the screen damage, and moreover I think it will be hard to design a case with a sunken screen protector and it may make it hard to snap it on. Anyways, this case has precise cutouts for both the button on this side and the cutout on the other side will not make sense at this point, but I'll show you later during this video how important that cutout is. So let's start by showing you how to put this case on. So putting this case on is not an easy process. For me, I find that it's easier to start by putting on from the side corners of the watch first and then work your way around. I think having a bit of a nail will be helpful for the installation process. I can foresee how hard it will be to put this case on if it were to have a built-in screen protector. In fact, I have done a lot of full body case review videos for various smartwatches and to me, this was the hardest one to put it on. Now once it's on, I don't think you need to take it off ever, unless you want to change it for any reason as the charging brick fits perfectly with the case on. Let me show it to you. Now this is why they have provided this cutout on the other side to accommodate the charging brick seamlessly. Thank goodness, as what a pain it would be to put it on and off every single time for charging. Now this case has a glossy finish versus a matte finish. Personally, I would not go with the matte finish as having a glossy finish adds more shine to the watch. Now let me show you how it will look on my wrist with and without the case. So as you can see, the case does add a bit of a bulk to this already bulkier watch. So if you have a tiny wrist or forearm, this is something you want to consider before getting the watch in the first place. But for me, I think on my wrist it looks great, as I am more inclined on having a bold and imposing look. With all that being said, let's take this case off and wrap the video up with my final say. Now, to take this case off is easier than putting it on. Start by sliding off the corners from each side and work your way around to pop it out completely. Having a bit of a nail would make it much easier to pop it out. But as you can see, it's relatively easier to take it off versus putting it on. Now, I have been using such cases on my other smartwatches and I personally haven't seen any contact damage on the body of the watch with such cases. The seller claims this case to be scratch proof, which is good to have, and I think it will even protect your watch from regular scratches and scuffs, or maybe even a fall or a drop. So this will be a good investment to protect your expensive watch if your work environment is not that smooth. This case is flexible, and to me it seems like it's a fingerprint magnet, but since I have the silver option, it's not that noticeable. So to wrap it all up, for just $9 Canadian, I will highly recommend this full body bumper case, as it does provide protection to your expensive smartwatch from scratches and scuff on the body, maybe even a drop. It definitely looks awesome and adds more shine to your watch. It's functional, so you don't need to take it off for charging every single time. The case does not even interfere with removing the wristband, and it's overall very durable. The only downside is it does not have a screen protector built in, but as I mentioned earlier, the screen is sunken in and having this case adds extra lip, so I think even with a drop, the screen will be protected. So that's it with this video. Please subscribe, as I'll be posting more videos of this watch along with full comparison with other smartwatches. So I really hope you found this video helpful. If you did, then please give this video a thumbs up, and maybe give it a thumbs up anyways as an appreciation to our effort for making this video. It really means a lot. Thank you so much for watching and take care. I'll catch you guys in the next one.